My name is Jan, and I saw Dr. Landfair, and I had a hip replaced. My daughter came to visit me in March, and every time I got in and out of the car, I was moaning and groaning, and she said, "Mom, you need to go and see somebody about your hip." I was convinced that, like my daughter said, you're 84 years old, you don't need to wait until you really starts to bother you. You should, think about it now. So I was really impressed when I came in here, and I liked everything about the office and about everything. So I thought, yep, okay, I'll seriously give this some thought. He was amazing. He was just easy to talk to and answer to any questions that I had, and it was a good, right from the start, it was a good rapport. When we got to the surgery center, I was the only one there, and it just looked like a regular office, and I was amazed after I was checked in, and then when I went back to where the surgery center actually was, it was just amazing that was all hiding back there. I just can't say enough about how they just focused on me, even though there were other patients there and other people around, and I just felt very comfortable, and they all seemed to have their job, and they all knew what their job was, and they were very well organized, and just focused on getting this job done. I couldn't believe when they said that you'll be in and out the same day. It was just like, no, how does that happen? I'm addicted also, besides the pool, I'm addicted to General Hospital. And that was my goal, was to get home by 2 o'clock to watch General Hospital. And I was home by 5 after 2. That was the unbelievable part. I had no pain. But from what I read, they said, oh, you better make sure you take the pain medication because you want to stay ahead of the curve, and you want to make sure that, that you stay ahead of it. So that night I took 1 pain pill, and then I got up in the morning and I thought, I feel fine. I don't have any pain. I'm not going to take anything. So the 1 pain pill was all I took. That was the amazing part, that I had no pain. I don't know how they can do that. I felt like before the surgery, I could barely get down to my friend's house, who lives like 2 houses down the street. And by the 2nd week of physical therapy, I was going well past her house. And that was amazing to me too, that I could do that. From the first time I walked in until right now, I just am happy with the way everything, they're efficient, they're on time. If you ask something they don't know, they will call you back right away, and I haven't experienced that in other medical offices that I've been to. So it's an A++ for sure.